This video is sponsored by money. Okay, guys, so, wait, I forgot to say hey, guys. Beep! Hey, guys, what's up? It's me, Kian. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am here with Lillian. Hi, guys! And we have some exciting news for you. We are rich! So we just finished the game of Monopoly. This is how much money I got. That's how much she got. And
we are
now,
rich!
Yeah, and now it's time.
This is like
$2,000. Yeah, and now it's time to make it
rain!
Let's do this. All right, stand up, guys. Put the music on. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Let's
Rattlesnakes. Da 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 da. We still made it rain. OMG. Woo! Somebody forgot to take this. Oh my God. We're rich. Okay, bye, guys.
No!
No?
It's raining money on Kian.
Money.
On Lillian.
Okay.
No, stand still. It's raining money.
Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video.
If you did, smash that like button and we'll
See you next time. Goodbye.
bye!
Take some $1 bills.